Hello guys, bringing you another strategy. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys loads of strategies because I've realized that in this industry, one strategy may not necessarily work for one person, for everyone. Um, but as the more strategies I give you guys, the more strategies you guys have to choose from, and yeah, man. Hopefully it works for you. If it does work for you, make sure to drop a like, drop a follow for more of these videos. Yeah, the aim is to create profitable traders with some amazing strategies, man. So okay, cool. I'm gonna start. So this strategy it works in 15 minutes time frame. I'm not very sure about lower time frames as 5 and 1 minute time frames. So I haven't tried them on there, but definitely 15 minutes time frames is kind of the best. So all right, cool. I want to mention first of all that this indicator, the Nadaraya Watson indicator, it does repaint. All right, I want to make that very clear. It does repaint, but the second indicator, the buy and sell signals, it does not repaint, and that's where things are gonna get interesting. All right, so rule number one, it's very simple to apply, like super simple, right? Rule number one, all right, you need to wait for price to break out of the band, right? As such, break out the band, and you need to wait for the buy and sell signal to confirm it. All right. Let's say, for example, obviously right here, as you can see, the buy and sell signal did not confirm it, so we're not gonna take that trade. As simple as that. We're not gonna take that trade. Follow your rules, and you'll make profits. And then right here, as you can see, the buy and sell signal arrived and we had broken out of the band. You can see that, and that was a very good trade. If you took a sell right here and you put your stop loss just over this high, and yeah, man, uh and you target this level, or if you're a little bit ambitious, if you're a little bit ambitious, you went for all of it. That was going to be up to you, but I normally recommend for people to target the most recent and the most obvious resistant zones, because price might just turn around and you might lose every profit you've made. So yeah, just be a little bit realistic with the management. And then going further, you can see price did break out of this band, but there was no buy and sell signal. Let me give you guys some more. All right, cool. So as you can see, we didn't have any signals on this day. We had just one. So one thing you notice is these signals don't come all the time, but when they do come, it's high probability, and you can make a lot of money. All right, you can make a lot of money. So obviously you don't have to make your stop loss so high, because from my experience, whenever these two appear, which is the buy and sell signal and the breakout of the band, whenever they appear, price tends to always turn around that zone. So you don't have to put your stop loss so high, just to have a nice risk reward as well, because that matters. And yeah, have a nice target as such, but to be realistic, I'll say target, a nice 1 to 8 somewhere there. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Hope this strategy helps. I've left the indicator names up here on the top left, Lux Argo and buy and sell signals. Get them, let me know in the comment section how it works, and yeah, man, I'll see you in the next video.